Mastering Time Management. Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoMagnet today. We're diving into a topic that's crucial for success in every aspect of life. Time management. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to make the most of your time, this video is for you. Definition of time management. So, what is time management? It's the art of planning and controlling your time effectively to achieve your goals and make the most of every day. Imagine each hour as a valuable resource, and time management is the toolkit to help you optimize that resource. The importance of time management. Let's talk about why time management is so important. It reduces stress, boosts productivity, and allows you to maintain a work-life balance. Time management also helps you set and achieve your goals effectively. Identifying your priorities. The first step in improving your time management is identifying your priorities. I like to use the Eisenhower matrix. It categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, not urgent but important, urgent but not important, and neither urgent or important. This helps you focus on what truly matters. Creating a to-do list. Next, create a to-do list. List your tasks and categorize them by urgency and importance. It's a great way to visualize what you need to accomplish. Time blocking. Time blocking is a game changer. Allocate specific time blocks for different tasks. This reduces multitasking, increases concentration, and ensures you stay on track. Setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting SMART goals helps you stay focused and measure your progress effectively. Delegation and saying no. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks or say no when you're overwhelmed. It's about being assertive with your time and protecting it from unnecessary distractions. Eliminating time wasters. Avoid common time wasters like excessive social media use, procrastination, or disorganized workspaces. Minimizing these can free up a lot of your time. The power of rest and breaks. Don't forget about the importance of rest and breaks. These are crucial for maintaining focus and productivity. Remember, you're a human, not a robot. Review and adapt. Lastly, review your time management strategies regularly and adapt as needed. It's an ongoing process of improvement. So there you have it, folks. Time management is a skill that can transform your life. By identifying your priorities, creating a to-do list, time blocking, setting SMART goals, and eliminating time wasters, you'll become a time management pro. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable tips to level up your life. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely.